Hi guys! Today we're going to be looking at the Alphabet Apple toy by VTech. So this review is a little bit different to what we usually do on Skylark24, as obviously this isn't in its box. I've had this for quite a while now and I've just sold it on eBay, so I thought I'd make a little review about it before I send it off. Now clearly, as I say, it's not in its box, so I'm not able to read out the instructions or anything, but this is a preschool children's toy to help educate young children about the alphabet. So as far as I can see, it includes 8 fun learning games to teach you about the letters of the alphabet and spelling and all this kind of thing. So yeah, let's turn the button on here and see what it does.
Ready for the Alphabet Apple adventure? Let's learn letter sounds. Press any button to learn.
So I think we're already automatically in the first game, which as you can see is Phonics Fun.
Press any button to learn.
So we press A.
A says A.
It teaches you how to pronounce different letters.
B makes the sound B. C says K. D makes the sound D. E says E. F makes the sound F. G says G. H makes the sound H. I says I. J makes the sound J. K says K. L makes the sound M says N makes the sound O says O. P makes the sound P. Q says Qu. R makes the sound R. S says S. T makes the sound T. U says V makes the sound V. W says W. X makes the sound X. Y says Y. Z makes the sound Z.
I'm not sure what this return button's for.
Press any button to learn.
I think it just takes you back to the start of the game. So we're not going to have time on this review to look at all the letters in every game. But let's move on to Alphabet Explorer. So you basically slide between to get the different games, see what it tells us to do.
Let's explore the alphabet. Press any button to learn.
So let's look at H.
H comes before the letter I.
So just like...
G comes after the letter F.
So it teaches you about the sequence of the alphabet. I don't know, let's do D because it's the first letter of my name.
D is for doll.
S for Skylark24.
S comes before the letter T.
And it just tells you a little fact about it, like, whether it comes before or after a certain letter or a word that begins with that letter.
W comes after the letter V.
I think it also has a feature on here to help you learn to tell the time.
1 o'clock, time to learn some letters. 2 o'clock, time to play with my friends.
And it just prompts you to, play different games on here.
Press any button to learn.
So then we can go on to Super Speller.
Let's listen and spell. Zip is spelt Z-I-P. Press the letters to spell zip.
The letters for that word then light up to help children to, learn how to spell these short 3-letter words.
Z-I-P. Good job.
And then it prompts you and congratulates you.
To spell egg. E-G-G. Press the letters to spell egg.
So then we've got the Hungry Worm game.
I'm hungry. Catch the flashing apples for me to eat.
This is more like a game, so you need to press whichever one's flashing.
1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent.
So that one's like a counting game.
For for me to eat.
Which, you know, teaches children about numbers as well as letters and telling time. So yeah, you've got all kinds of different games on
Catch
here.
the flashing apples.
Then we get Follow the Lights. I think these games are slightly more advanced than obviously the Phonics and Alphabet Explorer, which is just clicking
Watch the
buttons.
lights and then follow along. Get ready, go!
So then this one's like a memory game. So you need to click in.
Excellent. Press the buttons in the right order.
NQ.
Good job. Press the buttons in the right order. Excellent. Press the buttons in the right order.
I couldn't remember what that letter was then.
Yeah, level up.
And then it probably counts up to 5
Watch
next
the
time.
lights and then follow along.
So then the next one is Quiz Time.
Can you find the letter L?
So then you have to find the letter without any light prompt. So again, we've kind of gone up to a harder level. It said L for lion.
L. Good job. Can you find the letter G? G. Excellent. Can you find the letter W? W. Good job. Can you find the letter H? H. Excellent. Can you find the letter I?
And then the last feature on here is the Music Party, which I don't think is an educational game as such. I think each letter basically just plays a different tune.
Let's have some music fun. Press any button for music fun.
So again, let's go for D. I'm not sure if the music's specific to each letter on here or if it might just play the same tunes in rotation. So that's all the different games on there. And then I think you can move the worm as well. I'm not sure if he sings on this version or not, because he's got a different voice than the one that I've just watched online. Let's see.
I am a happy worm, and I love to sing.
Here he goes.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.
I think he sings 3 different songs.
That was fun.
Let's see if he sings something
Press
else.
any button. I am a happy worm, and I love to sing. Shine, little glowworm, glimmer, glimmer. Hey there, don't get dimmer, dimmer. Light the path below, above, and lead us on to love. That was fun. Press any button for music fun.
See if he sings a 3rd song.
I am a happy worm, and I love to sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? That was fun.
So the 3rd song was obviously the alphabet song, which makes sense because it fits with the theme of the toy. I think he only sings 3 songs, so this is probably going to be Hickory Dickory Dock again.
I am a happy worm, and I love to sing.
Yes, there you go.
Hickory dickory dock.
So let's switch and just have another look at the clock. So we're talking about clocks.
3 o'clock. Time to spell some words. Jelly is spelt J-E-L-L-Y. Press any button.
Oh yes, because we're still on music, aren't we? So
Let's listen and spell. Egg is spelt E-G-G. Press
just
the
do another one of
letters
those.
to spell egg. E-G-G. Good job. Come on, let's learn to spell ant. A-N-T.
I think the spellings stick to 3-letter words. I don't think it ever advances beyond that.
6 o'clock. Time to take a bath. Great.
That was a bit random.
Kite is spelt K-I-T-E. Press the letters to spell kite.
So yeah,
Watch the
I'll
lights.
try and follow the
then
lights
follow
again.
along. Get ready, go.
Although I think we actually did that one quite thoroughly, didn't we? So let's start with Alphabet
the
Explorer.
alphabet. Press any button to learn.
So we can do another random letter. Let's do M.
M comes before the letter N.
And then P for piano.
P comes after the letter O.
Strange, because for D we got D is for doll, but all the others seem to be about the sequence of the alphabet. So it's a little bit strange. But yeah, overall I think this is a really nice toy. I'm not sure what the RRP was, or even if this is still available now. Switch over to Music Party, because it's quieter.
Let's have some music fun. Press any button for music fun.
Let's try the P for piano again, for music. So yeah, I'm not too sure what this would have originally cost, but it's a cool toy. It has lots of different features. I think, you know, it could keep a young child entertained for quite some time. Got 8 different games, lots of different educational qualities, but also fun things. The worm is quite annoying, I must say. I find it interesting that the ones I've looked at online have got a female voice, but I think it's to do with an American and British version, because obviously ours says Y and Z rather than Y and Z, etc. I suppose British pronunciation. Yeah, it's a nice toy. I really like it. I like how the lights flash in different sequences as well. I think that's nice for younger children. Keep people's attention focused. I'm not sure how many different tunes are on the Music Party, but it's really quite nice. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do give us a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to Skylark24, share this video with all of your friends, and tune in next Sunday at 10 AM for another toy review video.